All right, this is Math Lesson 5.10, Facts Practice to 20. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use strategies to add and subtract. Let's read the problem. It says, Jackson is reading a book that has 14 pages. He has read 8 pages. How many pages does he have left to read? So I'm going to write a number sentence first by using my problem. Jackson is reading a book that has 14 pages. So I know 14 is as much as he's going to have in his book. I cannot have anything more than 14. He has read 8 pages. So if I take away the 8 that he's read, if you read it, you've already done it, and it's kind of like taking away it. How many pages does he have left to read? So that's what we need to figure out right here. So a strategy to figure this out is we are going to subtract to make 10 and break apart our number. So I have 8. I need to make 10. I need to make 14 into 10. And if I do that, I'm going to use 4 because 14 minus 4 is 10. So if I have 8, the other part, if I have 8 total, and I have 4, the other part would be 4. So that would look like this. I have 14. I'm going to make 14 into 10 by subtracting 4 right there. That's my first 4. Now I have 10. I'm going to subtract the second part of the number, which is the other 4. And 10 minus 4, I'm going to say 10 and count back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 6 is my answer. So how many pages does he have left to read? He has 6 pages left. All right, good job. Let's do the next one. Let's see what it says. It says, Jesse sees 12 dogs at the park. 4 dogs are gray and the rest are brown. How many brown dogs does he see? So let's see. He sees 12 dogs at the park. That's the only amount that he can see. He's not going to see any more. So I know that 12 is going to equal something. And I see that he has gray and brown dogs. So it says here that there are 4 gray dogs. So I know the 4 gray dogs plus the brown dogs will equal 12 altogether. So remember, he only sees 12. He sees no more. So I can figure this out by drawing a picture. Okay. So he's going to have brown dogs, gray dogs, G, and brown dogs. So I know he has 1, 2, 3, 4 brown dogs, gray dogs, sorry, and let's count up. That would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he sees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He sees 8 brown dogs. So that would be my answer. Now, and there's more ways we can solve it with our strategies, but another way, remember, is to use subtraction, because we know we can use a related fact. So if I had 12 equals 4 plus something, I know that a related fact would be 12 minus 4 equals, and that would be our answer here. because that's a related fact. So if I have 12 and I count back, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 would be my answer by using a related fact. So here we go. We have some problems to solve, and we have to figure out what goes in our answer. It goes in the blank. So I have 8 plus something equals 13. So I can use a related fact. 13 minus 8 equals something. So once again, we can use that subtract to 10. So I need 3, and I know 5 will be my other answer. So 13 minus 3 is 10, minus another 5 equals 5. So our answer is 5. Okay? So here we go. We have 15 equals something plus 7. So I'm going to make a 10. I'm going to make 7 get up to 10, and then we're going to get up to 15. So I know that if I have 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I need 1, 2, 3 more to make it to 13, but now I need 15. So I'm going to add my other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we made 10 here, and we used 3, but we had to get to 15 is here, and we have 5 more. So we added 5 and 3, which is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. We have 9 plus 2, so we're going to count up. 9, 10, 11. Awesome. So 11 equals 2 plus 9. Let's try this one. 10 equals 8 plus something. So once again, we're going to say 8 and count up to 10. 8, 9, 10. So our answer is 2. Here we go. We can use a related fact to help us. So I know our answer to a subtraction is one of our parts plus something else equals 11. So say 7 and count up to 11. What's your answer? 7, 8, 9, 10. If you said 3, awesome job. Here we go. We have something equals 16 minus 8. So we want to get 16 down to 10. So I need to subtract 6. But I'm going to break apart 8. If I break apart 8, I'm going to say it's 6 and 2 is 8. So I have 16 minus 6 is 10, and we still have to subtract this 2 off, equals 10 minus 2, 10, 9, 8. So our answer is 8. Awesome job learning today.